Advanced English Arabic Learning Session 76. He also blasted the booklet for plagiarizing a previous work. The comments that keep coming to the site are thought-provoking. The law does seek to ensure that the remedies available are feasible. Although law generally enshrines the principle of protection of the minority, these revelations certainly vindicate the concerns he expressed at that time. Inherent in his lifelong concern to vindicate providence that no pain or loss is undeserved, she vowed to continue the fight to vindicate her late father's name and reputation. I concur with your approach that his focus was neither didactic nor moralizing. For many mystery cults, salvation was to come from a person's association. He was relieved and elated at the time the police vindicated him. To convene a general meeting whenever they see fit. Hospital staff were vindicated by the inquest verdict. The criticism was both vindictive and personalized. The self-righteous moralizing of his aunt was ringing in his ears. It is outstanding that the book does not attempt to moralize or preach. Expect to see diagnostic devices embedded into houses. The woman is trying to slip quarters into the machine slot. Directors can call the meeting at their own instigation. How on earth did you get into such a fix? Representatives trying to find cheap fixes to meet their obligations. Removing the causative potency of the original wrong. Even when the tort occurs first, a subsequent event may supervene. The view that mental events supervene upon physical ones. In rare instances do serious complications supervene. Access to a court through a petition for a writ of habeas corpus is among the rights of humanity. The company is in the hands of the receivers. The process allows both spouses to jointly petition for divorce. The act allowed couples to petition for divorce after 1 year of marriage. They quarreled bitterly and one sued the other for fraud. A member may petition the court for the company to be wound up on the just and equitable ground. It was just and equitable to order winding up. Nevertheless, they spent an hour trying to resuscitate him. Measures to resuscitate the ailing Japanese economy. Massive airstrikes target a ridge early today, as coalition troops try to dislodge Iraqi forces. The stupid blockhead called Jesse something I never want to hear repeated again. I will write a quick synopsis of the film for you lunkheads. A loggerhead turtle was taken in by aquarium personnel when it was still a hatchling. Before he was guillotined, he made a speech vowing that he would return from the dead to punish his captors. Geyser is a hot spring in which water intermittently boils. The descendants of those great artists are sticking together to seek redress. Viewers watch aliens rave at a dance party. Man's worship ascends upward, and the divine providence descends thereby. He acknowledged their presence with a condescending sneer. Reasonable suspicion that the examinees will abscond. He hated how his uncle crept up silently on him. It was both eerie and uncanny. Google's success stems from its uncanny ability to sort useful web pages from dross. The company may do anything necessarily expedient for the management of the affairs. A moratorium is imposed by the court on creditors' actions. Their duties may include consideration of the accounts and declaration of a dividend. Renunciation by party to a contract of his contractual obligations. The shrug is a gesture of renunciation. Please identify the consideration for the alleged agreement. A lessee pays a total consideration, being the lease price, for the grant of a lease. The elderly and frail pedestrian suffers bruising. Equity operates to impose a just solution with no regard to technicalities. Mother Nature has 80% control in putting out fires. We had to buckle down and study for the exam. Stressors can place a tremendous burden on relationships. Other new measures are foreshadowed in the white paper. You have been drooling over her ever since you first saw her picture. Obituary, a notice of a death, especially in a newspaper. Financial difficulties impelled him to desperate measures. She ground a half-smoked cigarette into the ashtray. The truck was grinding slowly up the hill, moved noisily and laboriously. The pictures from Indonesia's Ground Zero are beyond description. If you're starting at ground zero in terms of knowledge, go to the library. The wheels shrieked as the car sped away. Frenemy is combination of friend and enemy. You'll have more fun at the dance if you aren't such a wallflower. He drinks builder's tea. Have you got any dosh to pay for this? Money. Someone grassed him up to the police. I made a cake for his birthday, but it went a bit pear-shaped. Her husband did a runner and now she's left with 2 kids to bring up. The president can use his power to break the logjam over this issue. Keeping a diary may ease the logjam of work. He faced charges of attempting to export ecstasy tabs, a tablet. The doctor scrubbed up and donned a protective gown. The brightness of the day did nothing to dispel Elaine's dejection. He unfolded the map and laid it out on the table. There was a fascinating scene unfolding before me. Eva unfolded her secret exploits to Maddie. A gentle paddle on sluggish water. Dog piddled all over my car, urinate. The children paddled at the water's edge. She was pedaling a bicycle around town. The checkout operator tells her that the label is misprinted. An embargo on imports from one particular country is a total ban. As conscious beings we can deduce that the logical conclusion of this decline is our extinction. Quran was written down piecemeal but not fully collated until after the death of Prophet. Local custom may be subsumed into the law if it is not contrary to Sharia. A city ordinance bans smoking in nearly all types of restaurants. A state may manifest its consent or recognition in 3 ways. He was the originator of the theory of continental drift. Investors have been precluded from participation. It was the barest of welcomes, but it was a welcome nonetheless. There is a need to replace what has hitherto been a haphazard method of payment. Her ledger stone carved with her name. The burden of proof will be on the claimant. Breaching the law is called a crime and can range from committing murder to drink driving. You can be sued or sue someone else if you believe they have broken a civil law towards you. Summary offenses are matters that are be tried by a judge alone. Embedded journalist refers to news reporters being attached to military units involved in armed conflicts. Paper-based exams are being phased out and may not be available in your region. The husband has left the matrimonial home. Barrister is a lawyer entitled to practice as an advocate, particularly in the higher courts. He has been summoned to appear in court next month. There was a mutuality in the arrangements between the parties, amounting to a contract. The burden of proof is on the parties seeking to escape liability. The officious bystander is a metaphorical figure of English law. I've sent her a large bouquet of flowers and couriered her some photos of her great-grandchildren. Dear our excellent hoppers, fleeing from predators with long bounds. The plaintiff expressly or impliedly consented to the risk. They hoped that the king might beget an heir by his new queen. As the flowers transpire, water evaporates, and traps at the roof. The nephew was earning £1,000 pa at the bar, which never transpired. He revelled in the exquisite pleasure of the warm spray massaging his body. I was reveling in this situation and didn't want to end it soon. The night is winding down. Bill said he was secretly reveling in his newfound fame. They spent the evening reveling with their guests. The assistant peered through the window and saw a group of Jews feasting. Whenever things go wrong, he always shouts and takes it on me. Do not use your own exacting standards as a yardstick for judging others. Law of demand: the principle that price and quantity demanded are inversely related. League tables are not the only yardstick of schools' performance. In summer for the wheat harvest, everybody was given a reaping hook to work in the fields. The hook that caught him was the girl's attitude. The securities analyst was caught off guard by that financial report. After baiting the hook, you lower the line into the water and wait for the fish to bite. It is a sad state of affairs when anglers board a charter boat. Before they hook their first fish that they are going to have a problem with landing fish. When my boss told me he was raising my salary, he really caught me off guard. I hope I didn't catch you off guard when I arrived without calling. Once you learn how to tie your own lures and bait your own hook, you can go any place, Euler says. Farmers pray for bumper crops in the next year. The government estimates the new harvest will yield about 100 tons of staple grains. The paradox is that a search for a unifying center fails. In terms of science, Apollo yielded a meager harvest. 2 little boys pelted him with rotten apples. The futile effort to eradicate marijuana has produced a harvest of misery. I saw myself fumbling easy catches and looking clumsy. The profits of the subsidiary must be prorated if acquired mid-year. Just one fumble during a tire change could separate the winners from the losers. What I did see made me fumble my cigarette into my lap. When pasture was not available to meet forage requirements, use hay or silage harvested during periods of excess pasture. They proceeded to spoof Western intelligence with false information. You are not penalized for incorrect answers. A loan covenant is a condition that the borrower must comply with. Loan fees can be amortized over the life of the mortgage. The manufacturer will then invoice us for that amount. The political situation was becoming more volatile. The assertions are beyond reasonable doubt. The Quran includes various injunctions of a legal nature, but it does not cover all eventualities. The commander of any level is supposed to pay serious attention to his subordinates. You are judged by what they have said, written, or done, rather than by what you were actually thinking. A relatively small group of nationalists demand outright independence for the island. Others prefer autonomy within the French Republic. Acceptance subject to contract must be distinguished from outright acceptance. I made the worst decision I could have ever made in my life. Pattern book, a book containing samples of patterns and designs of cloth or wallpaper. The King of Diamonds is traditionally armed with an axe. No suitable surety within the jurisdiction can be found. The public prosecutors didn't treat the incidents so lightly. The end. Coming next. Session 77.